10th question says the distance between the sun and the earth is given as 1.496 into 10 to the power of 8 kilometer, and its period of revolution has been given as 365.3 days. Now if you recall, according to Kepler's law, we had studied that t square, that is the time period of revolution, is directly proportional to r cube. This is from Kepler's law. So I can say t square must be equals to some constant of proportionality times of r cube. So let's say for earth, because the here what has been given, the earth and the sun ka distance de rakha. So let's say for earth the time period of revolution is 365 point, so we are talking about earth presently. Okay, now let me write down for earth. So for earth the time period of revolution is 365.3 days. Okay, I'm not converting the days into seconds, which is the SI unit of time. I'm just putting it as days. Okay, ka whole square is equals to k, and what is the distance they have mentioned? They have mentioned the distance as 1.496 into 10 to the power of 8 kilometer ka whole cube. So remember, here the distance is in kilometer and while the time is in days, and this becomes my equation number 1. Is that clear? So this becomes my equation number 1. Now this is for earth. Now what I have to do, let's start with the planet Venus. So for Venus, what is the period of revolution? It is 224.7 days. So t square will be 224.7 days का square is equals to k times, अब इसका distance तो पता नहीं है, ये किसके किसके बीच के distance की हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं? Distance between what? Sun and the Venus. तो मैं SV लिख दे रहा हूँ, Sun and the Venus का whole cube, और इसको कह दिया इक्वेशन नंबर 2. बीच में कोई प्लस या माइनस का साइन नहीं है, सीधे सीधे k के फैक्टर इन्वॉल्व है. जब भी मेरे पास इक्वेशन में प्लस या माइनस का साइन नहीं होता है तो इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करने का आसान तरीका है, दोनों इक्वेशन को आपस में उठा के डिवाइड कर दो. तो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, आई एम गोइंग टू डिवाइड, क्योंकि मुझे डिस्टेंस निकालना है एसवी का, तो आई एम गोइंग टू डिवाइड इक्वेशन 2 विथ इक्वेशन 1. इज दैट क्लियर? So this will be 224.7 day का whole cube upon, इधर क्या है फर्स्ट वाले में 365.3 days का whole cube is equals to k distance between sun and Venus का. अच्छा, remember this distance is going to come in kilometer because both the places I am taking the, I am going to put the whole square. Both sides I am taking the kilometers into account. So this becomes whole cube. Okay, I got the mistake. This has to be square over here. ठीक है ना? So this has to be square and this has to be square. Divided by k times of 1.496 into 10 की power 8 का whole cube. This k and this k cancels out. Can you do the mathematics for me? Can you square this 224.7 का whole square कितना होता है? एक सेकेंड, 50490.09 डेज का स्क्वायर. डिनोमिनेटर में क्या आएगा? या 133,444 3 times 4 3 times 4.09 d स्क्वायर. d डेज है, डेज का स्क्वायर और डेज का स्क्वायर कट जाएगा. मैं डेज को सेकंड में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 365 into 24 ये सब ये मैथमेटिक्स नहीं कर रहा हूँ, डेज के ऊपर नीचे कॉमन है तो उसको मैं काट दे रहा हूँ. इज इक्वल्स टू d डिस्टेंस बिटवीन सन एंड द वीनस का होल क्यूब. क्या तुम मुझे यहाँ पे इसका क्यूब करके बता पाओगे? सो इफ आई एम गोइंग टू टेक अ क्यूब ऑफ दिस, so this should be 3.3480 into 10 to the power of 8 3s are 24. Is this clear to everyone? And let's do the mathematics, rest of the mathematics now. So what I am going to get now, distance between Sun and the Venus का whole cube must be equals to 50,490.09 multiplied by 3.348 into 10 to the power of 24. Please make sure your calculators are in scientific mode. Divided by 133,444.09. Can we solve this, please? So what I have done all the basic mathematics in the calculator itself, and you can check out with your calculation. Now, similarly, what you need to do, you need to go ahead with for planet Mars. For Mars, the distance has been given as 687.0. So I'm leaving the second part as a homework for you. Have you understood the methodology over here to be applied?